if you want to download CapCut, you can just search CapCut. Depending if you're on Mac or if you're on PC, you can click this. Yeah, you actually have to scroll down. You have to click on this, and then you can download it for Mac. It will start downloading. Click allow, then you have to wait. Then you can just do this and open this, and it will start downloading CapCut. Since I already have CapCut, and I'm just going to install it, and it will just install, and you'll just only have to wait. In the meantime, you can also use CapCut on the web without having to download it. You go back to the first page that you open, and then you can click here, edit video online, and it will open up a video editor. But you actually have to use Chrome, not Safari, for this one. And this is how you're able to download CapCut on your computer or your PC.